Welcome to a quick Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing your Discord username on the Discord mobile app for Android and iOS. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Launch the Discord app. If you are currently in a server, then start by tapping the 3 lines button at the top left of the screen. Now select your profile icon from the bottom right. On your profile page, open Account. Tap where it says your username and you will be able to change it. Enter your new username. It's possible to change your ending tag too, but only if you are subscribed to Discord Nitro. Tap Save once you are happy with your new username. Your Discord username has now been changed. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Discord tips and tricks.